Here we're going to do a quick comparison between the Wellue pulse oximeter versus the iProven pulse oximeter and find out what's the difference. We're going to do a breakdown on all the features and why I favor one over the other. They're both real compact in size, so you can take it with you on trips, hiking, sports events, so you could easily put it in your pocket and not be too bulky. And also the AAA batteries are both included. Both battery compartments are in the rear with a quick release button. They both have one-click operation. Be sure after placing the device on your finger to give it some time, allowing 30 to 60 seconds for a more accurate reading. The Wellue includes a cell phone app, which I'll show a demonstration later in this video. After pushing the power button, the readings will display within 30 seconds or less. They both display the battery life, the blood oxygen level, and also the heart rate. Additionally, Wellue displays the pulse waveform, which displays the heartbeat pulse rhythm to determine an irregular heartbeat. It shows the waveform at the bottom of the screen. Here we're looking at the sensors that are in both devices. They both have auto shut-off. They both include lanyards that you could actually connect to the back of them. Here's the Wellue version. Conveniently, it includes a detachable clip. And here's the iProven version, which you can attach to the actual device or the protective case, which has a belt loop and is also included. And it also has a detachable clip. Although I like the Wellue pulse waveform that's displayed on this display, and also includes a cell phone app which helps provide device and health information. I do favor the iProven display because it has a real large display of numbers and it's easy to read and it's upright, so I can read it better and easier, so I don't have to keep turning my hand like this one. And it also includes a protective case. Now we're about to have a quick look at the Wellue cell phone app. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.